How to send money from GoTyme to GoTyme. Need to send money instantly to another GoTyme account? Let's walk through the process step by step. So step 1, go ahead and open up the GoTyme Bank and then log into your account. Now select send or transfer from here, or click on this menu button and select send or transfer under transact tab, and that will take you here. So from here, select account number, and that will take you to the list of banks where you can send money to. Click on GoTyme Bank from here, and that will take you into this section. So from here, go ahead and enter the account number, name, and note that you have for that specific user to whom you want to send money on GoTyme from your GoTyme Bank account. So once you have entered all of the information, as you can go ahead and send money from GoTyme to GoTyme. And that is how to send money from GoTyme to GoTyme.